Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, karibu sana. My name is Happiness Majoni, and if you are a returning subscriber, you know the love I got for you. So today, today is just today, and on today's video, this is going to be part 2 of how much money I have spent buying things on KILIMALL. And on today's specific video right now, we are going to be accounting for all the shoes that I have bought from KILIMALL. I don't waste your time. I don't waste my time. Let us do the math. If you've been here before, you know the drill. And if you've not been here before, this is the drill. All these items that I'm going to be mentioning on this video, I have done a review on them, and the link will be down in the description box. Plus all the items that I am going to be mentioning in this video are going to be linked down in the description box for you guys to go and get yourself. I am sorry about my voice. I am having a cold. Bear with me as we do the math. I'll be leaving a picture right here for you guys to see what I am talking about. Let us jump right into the video. So this is the first item, and I got it for 643. Next is going to be these nice shoes. They are sandal heels and they are very comfortable. I got 3 pairs. I got nude and 2 white ones, and one was for a friend, and all these totals to 5,680. I got these shoes in black, though I did not like the gold. I took them in black because black goes with everything, as you know. So I got this one at 1,516. Okay, I am going to be including the shoe rack. I got this shoe rack when I was in university. I don't know what year I was, but I got it when I was in university. I got this pink shoe rack at 445. It's a nice one. It's a nice one for college students. So I also got this visible travel shoe organizer bag that I put my shoes when I travel, because I do not mix my shoes with my clothes. So I put the shoes inside a bag, and I got this bag at 99 shillings. I got this, oh my goodness, these sandals, these transparent sandals were the best thing that I ever got. I have them and I still love them. They are in 2 colors. There's the leopard and there's the nude, and I got mine in nude, and I got this at 1,828. Guys, I also bought thigh-high boots from KILIMALL. It's actually not thigh-high, it's more of knee-high for us tall ladies, but if a shorter person gets it, it's definitely going to be a thigh-high. But for me, it's a knee-high boot, and I got it in black, just a pair, and I got it for 1,526, and I rock these shoes up to today. It is amazing. These shoes are the bomb. Oh yes, I found it. So I was looking for sports shoes. I was going for a retreat, I think, and I did not know where to buy sports shoes. Like it was like in a week's time, and I was just so confused. So this is what I settled for. They're called the new breathable casual women's athletic single shoes, and I got a pink one, but I made a mistake. I got it at a size 40 and it was small on my feet. I got it in pink. It has black, pink and brown or nude. I got this at 998. We are going to be adding that up. And I also got this block heel, the multicolored one with this one. I don't need to explain this because it's right here. I got this heel at 1,287. I also got these shoes, and I remember I got them in black and white, but I can only see the first one when I got it in black. It was 783. I don't know why the white one was more expensive, because the white one seems to be 912. That's like 200 bob higher compared to the black one. So I got these white ones at 912. This shoe right here, my almost everyday to go to shoe. It is clear, it is nude, it is just goes with everything again. I got this shoe at 1,383. Got another set of pink sport shoes. Me and pink, I know, we're like this. So I got this pink sport shoe at 873. Oh, and guys, that is it. I thought I bought so much on KILIMALL. Wait, there's that This particular shoe, oh my god, I've not seen it unless I skipped it. Let me just go back. Found it. I am sorry, I forgot about this specific shoe that all of you are asking about, and most of you have gotten it. Thank you for getting it. I see you down in the comment section. So this shoe, I got it at this particular one. It's very nice, the one I told you I don't run around with. Go and check that video. It's linked down in the description box. I got this shoe at 1,569. That is just about it for my shoe collection, and we are going to be adding that up. So equal sign. $19,542. Yes. So I have spent a total of $19,542 just buying shoes on KILIMALL. Disclaimer: some of these shoes may be out of stock. Some of these shoes, the price might be higher or lower depending on what time you are going to purchase it. It's your luck, honey. It's your luck again. So that's it, guys, for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like this video. It's for free. Comment down on the comment section. It is for free. Subscribe. It's also for free. And hit the notification bell so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video. If you haven't watched a review of all these shoes that I've shown in this video, please check the links down in the description box, or you can go and explore my channel and my videos. Yes, I am sorry about my voice. Thank you for bearing with me if you got to this part of the video. Okay, always remember to work hard, stay humble, and be disciplined. Watch out for part 3. Bye. See you on my next one.